Hello everyone, it's 17th April. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Indian Express newspaper. In the first page we have, Iran has pledged not to have nukes, may visit Pakistan if deal ready, says Trump. Then we have passed the bill or women of India won't forgive, says Prime Minister to the Parliament. Again, very important for policy and governance perspective. Then we have planes damaged post-collision at IGI airport, pilots derostrated. Going forward we have, from a small panchayat in Tamil Nadu, a lesson in what women in power can mean. Again, very important. Then we have the delimitation bill, fundamental attack on federal structure, says the opposition. Going forward, we have Modi stalker says rules-based order must for lasting peace. Then we have Vice Talent Caste delimitation protest as reigniting flames of resistance in Tamil Nadu. Then we have UCC, a constitutional ambition, no link to religion, says Apex Court. Then we have the editorial page where we have Trump's Munir Modi balancing will not bring back India-Pakistan hyphenation. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have government should not have done it. Under pressure, industries question timing of UP wage hike. Then we have India's Russian oil imports set to come under some pressure. Then we have Wipro clean share buyback of rupees 15,000 crore at 19% premium. Then we have IT rules amendments. Why pre-census fears hang in the air. All these news are very important for economy perspective. Going forward, we have the world page where we have Trump says Israel and Lebanon agreed on truce as hope grows on ending Iran war. Then we have Pentagon says forces ready to restart combat if Iran doesn't agree to a deal. Then we have Pakistan-based Lashkar co-founder injured in Lahore gun attack. Then we have Iran used Chinese spy satellite to target US bases. Beijing denies the report. Then we have Macron pushes for one no screen day per month for all. Lastly, we have Russian missiles drones bombard Ukraine in hours-long attack, kill 17th. All these news are very important for international relations perspective. Then we have the explain page where we have below normal monsoon but no cause for alarm. Again, very important for climate perspective. Then we have high debt, more English teaching, Telangana caste survey findings. Again, very important for policy and governance perspective. Then we have after Iran war what below average range could mean for inflation. Then we have how proposed women's reservation bill could affect the delimitation process. Again, very important for policy and governance perspective. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.